So I took these bolts out a couple weeks ago off by a battery. And I just noticed today, look, they've been magnetized somewhat. There's like not much now, but when I got in the car, this thing has got somewhat of a magnet. Here, these two, they're still exhibiting, see? What if I just, look, that one pushed that one off, and now it's sticking sideways there. Huh? Not sure where the hell that came from. But there's definitely some magnetic forces here. Something. Look, that one just there. And I mean, you know, overall it's not very strong, but it's clearly there. I don't know, I just wonder if any scientists got any ideas on it, you know, what it might be. I know maybe they were by the battery. They weren't actually hooked up to the battery, though. They were near it. Is it possible the battery, you know, magnetized them over the... It's been in there about a year, this battery. I don't know.